everyone! In this video, we are going to talk about fresh noodles and how we boil them. Why some fresh noodles need to be boiled 2 times and why we do it. There are 4 common fresh noodles you can find in our market. Kway teow, yellow noodles, fresh egg noodles, or kolok mee in our local language. There are 2 types of kolok mee, the thin one and the flat type. Kway teow or yellow noodles do not need to be boiled. If needed to, just a quick blanch will be enough and they are ready to be used. However, fresh noodles are different. You need to boil them twice because they are uncooked noodles. We prefer to boil ours 2 times because the technique will make the noodles more springy in texture and gives it a firm bite. First, take 1 portion and put them into boiling water. Keep stirring it with your chopstick. When the water reaches boiling point, immediately take it out and drop the noodles into room temperature water. After cooling the noodles, put it back into the boiling water. Stir it again. Bring to boil. Shake the excess water and pour the cooked noodles into a bowl. Immediately pour your soup. Remember this very important tip. After boiling, do not keep these noodles sitting too long or else it will stick together like glue. It is impossible to separate them. You might as well throw them away and start all over. If you need some noodle inspiration, watch our noodle playlist. Thank you for watching.